One thing about cast iron, they're great at getting very hot and they're super durable, right? But it's not necessarily a high performance pan. So we had to design it and make a version that we could see in some of the world's best kitchens. When you think about cookware materials and what's the right tool for the job, cast iron gets hot, it stays hot. When it goes into the oven, you're not gonna have these bouts of heating up and cooling down. So if you're looking for heat retention, cast iron is where you wanna be. The way it's created is it's poured into a sand mold. 3 main ingredients in our cast iron here. We've got raw pig iron, recycled cast iron, and lastly, we've got steel for reinforcement. This is the best combination for us that will give you a durable, long-lasting cast iron. And you're gonna notice a difference, whether it's how it's seasoned, how it cooks, or how durable it is.
Maiden came in with a really unique and great design. So we had a really good head start to really make the cookware a step above the normal cast iron cookware that we have in the industry.
We take a lot of the same design elements and design language from our very comfortable, very ergonomic clad handles. Casting the handle correctly is a process in and of itself, and I'd say we broke hundreds, if not thousands of handles, trying to figure out exactly the right dimensions and ergonomics. We knew designing a comfortable handle that had as minimal weight as possible was gonna be key for ergonomics and just comfortable to hold. We have the trigger, it's a bit longer than you'd find in any other cast iron pan. After a lot of prototyping, we're very happy with how the handle turned out, and we think it's best in class for cast iron skillets. We knew we didn't want your classic straight-walled cast iron pan. We designed the sides of the walls to be more curved, so when you're basting with a spoon, you can really get in there and use the techniques that chefs would do night in and night out.
The normal cast iron process goes through, we'll say, 5 or 6 different processes. We've doubled that, so we're doing things like lathe turning, the full inside, up the side walls.
By taking weight out, it allows it to get hotter and cooler quicker. You're still getting the same inherent qualities of cast iron, the heat retention, the high heat ability. Another benefit of the machining process is it's a smoother surface, which allows it to be more comfortable to hold. Mass-produced cast iron, you're often tumbling these parts, hundreds of pieces at a time. When we do our product, we tumble our cast iron parts 2 at a time in a much, much smaller vessel. And we use little ceramic beads, which is a much more precise tumbling process. And then we throw 1 cast iron skillet at a time in a vat of birdseed that tumbles around and around. And that birdseed is also infused with the seasoning oil. And by using the birdseed as medium for the seasoning oil to apply to the actual skillet, it gets this very smooth, very even coating across the skillet itself, as opposed to just spraying it where it'll pool and drip and move all unevenly. The birdseed allows for the perfect seasoning surface. Over the last 10 years, I probably walked into 3,000 commercial kitchens, and there are some chefs out there that will never use anything but cast iron. We spent years trying to work on a cast iron product that is actually meant to perform. And as you cook more, it's only gonna get better. We created something that's very different for the market and really has a place both in your stovetop and professional kitchens everywhere.